Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So children, in the previous session, we learnt about algebraic identities, right? Only the 4 identities. Okay, so those were the simple ones. That is, we had already learnt those 4 identities in our previous, during our junior classes, right? So now we have few new identities, okay? So again, we have to memorize these, all right? So now let's look at the other 4 new identities. So the fifth identity goes like this. If you have x plus y plus z, the whole square, okay, so 3 term inside and the whole square, then the formula is x square plus y square plus z square, so each of them being squared, then plus 2 times xy plus 2 times yz and 2 times xz, okay? So x square plus y, it's a very easy formula, you understand and learn it, remember, memorize it. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 with the x and y, then 2 with y and z, and then 2 with z and x, okay? All of them should have a plus sign in between, okay? So this is one formula. Now come to the sixth identity. When you have x plus y, the whole thing being cubed, okay, you have a 3 on top. So then the formula goes like this. There are 2 ways of writing this formula. X cube plus y cube, and then plus 3xy x plus y, or you can write it as x cube plus, the 3xy multiplied by x gives you 3x square y plus 3xy square, and then plus y cube, okay? So you need to memorize these. Now x minus y the whole cube is similar to the previous formula except for the minus sign everywhere. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So that's going to give you x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube, okay? So x cube and 3x square xy square will have a plus sign in front, and 3x square y and y cube will have a minus sign in front, okay? So odd number, see, y has got odd number of y's will have a negative sign. There is one on top of this y, so it's an odd number. There is 3 on top of this y, it's a odd number, so they both will have a minus sign. The first one doesn't have a y at all, so it will have a positive sign. The third term has got a y square, so that will have a positive term, okay? Now the eighth identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, okay? If you have such an equation, so you can actually combine this as x plus y plus z, okay? So you write x, y and z all together with just a plus sign, no powers over here. So when there is no power, it means that the power is 1, okay? Then you have x square plus y square minus plus z square, sorry. Okay, this is a plus z square. Wait a minute. Let me change it. Plus z square. Just a minute. Okay, yeah, plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx, okay? So this is the last identity. So you're supposed to remember all these 4 identities properly, okay? Now based on this, we have, questions in exercise 4.4. Already we have completed 3 questions in the previous session. So from question number 4 onwards, we have to do in this section. Now look at this. Question number 4 has got, it says expand each of the following using suitable identities. That's the question given in your textbook. So I'm just doing randomly one first question. X plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So this resembles the identity 5. Let's go on top and let's look at identity 5. Identity 5 is x plus y plus z the whole square, right? So the same way we are going to take this. But here in place of x, see, you have got x itself. In place of y, you have got 2y, and in place of z you have got 4z, right? So we have to take care of that, all right? So now here your x is x, your y is 2y, and your z is 4z. So wherever you have x in the formula, see, this is the formula, right? Wherever you have the x, you are going to put x square, x itself. Wherever you have y, you are going to substitute 2y, see, like how I have substituted. And wherever you have z, you are going to put 4z, okay? So x square will remain as x square, y square will become 2y the whole square, z square will become 4z the whole square, plus 2 times x is x itself, y is 2y, plus again 2 times y is 2y, z is 4z, plus 2 times z is 4z and x is x itself. Okay, so now let's solve this. So you get x square plus 2y the whole square is 4y square plus 4z the whole square is 16z square plus 2 2s are 4 x and y plus 2 2s are 4 4 4s are 16 z and y plus 2 4s are 8 z and x. Understood? So this is the answer. This is the expansion. Now you have a Okay, so the fifth question, the first problem, it says the fifth main says factorize, right? So what do we have to do? The question is given as 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Right? So now this also resembles your fifth identity, right? The first one which I have written over here. But in the earlier problem, it was given as x plus y plus z the whole square equals to, in the previous question, the fourth question, it was of the form x plus y plus z the whole square and we were supposed to expand it. Now the expanded form is given to us and we are supposed to factorize it. Okay, so see, first thing is we need to find out what is our x, what's y and what's z. Okay, so what do we do? Over here, your x square is actually 4x square, right? See, you look at the question and compare the formula. The x square is actually, it's resembling the 4x square. So your x square could be written as 2x the whole square. So your x is 2x, right? Your x is 2x. Okay, then next we will look at the y square. In place of y square we have got 9y square, so I can write y square equals to 3y the whole square, so y is equals to 3y. Okay, now the next one is z square, could be written as 16z square, or z square is equals to 4z square, 4z the whole square, so z is equals to 4z. Okay, so now so far we have learned what is x, y and z separately. Now we will see if it satisfies the other terms also, that is 12xy, 24yz and 16xz. Okay, it should satisfy that also. So in place of 2xy you have got 12xy, right? So let's go down and check. 2xy is equals to 12xy. So in place of, if you split it, 2 as 2 itself. In place of x, you can write this 2x. In place of y, we got 3y, so we'll write 3y. And when you multiply, you get 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12xy is what we are getting. So this is perfectly satisfying. So our x is 2x and y is 3y. No doubt in that. Okay. Now we will look at the next one, 2yz. 2yz is supposed to be equals to minus 24yz. So if you open this up, if you separately write it, 2 could be written as 2, y is written as 3y and z is written as minus 4. Z is actually, it is supposed to be 4z, isn't it? Because we wrote z as 4z over here, correct? So if I write 4z, I will be actually getting 24yz. But the answer, the question has got a minus sign over here. So that means the minus sign should be in front of the y or in front of the z, right? But 3y was actually taken as 3y itself, right? It was satisfying the first condition. So the minus sign has to be put in front of 4z, okay? So if you put the minus sign in front of 4z, you actually get 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So minus 24yz. Okay, so the z has to be minus 4z and not 4z which we took over here. Okay, so there was a mistake with this. We had to put a negative sign over here. Then we will go to the next term and check if it satisfies. 2zx is supposed to be equals to minus 16xz. So 2 we can keep it as 2. Z, for z we can take it as minus 4z, that's what we had taken. X is 2x, so that gives you 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so minus 16xz. Okay, so that is perfectly satisfying. So our answer is x is 2x, y is 3y and z is minus 4z. So now we will factorize it. This whole thing could be written as x plus y plus z the whole square, right? That's what the formula is, isn't it? X plus, so let me just write it with a different pen color. It's supposed to be x plus y plus z the whole square. So our x was 2x, so we write 2x plus 3y plus minus 4z the whole square. Okay, or we can also write this twice because it's squared over here. Okay, so 2x plus 3y minus 4z, 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Okay, so do the remaining problem. So in question 5 you have one more question like this, so do that as a homework. And question 6, question 7 and question 8 are also based on the suitable identities. Okay, so look at like how the question resembles, what identity it resembles. do it accordingly. All right, yeah. So inshallah, see you in next session. Allah Hafiz.